Hey everyone! Today in this video, I will discuss one of my projects about creating templates and rendering in SDocs. So before moving on to the project execution, let me share with you the client's requirements and the basics of SDocs in Salesforce. Talking about the client's requirements, the client wanted us to use a single SDocs template into multiple SDocs templates. He wanted us to use one template in another template in SDocs. So today, I will show you what we did to accomplish this requirement. Before moving on to the execution, let me tell you the basics of SDocs and the benefits of SDocs in Salesforce. Considered to be one of the fastest, safest and easiest document generator applications, the SDocs solution is built for the Salesforce platform. It is a 100% native document generator and e-signature solution for Salesforce. SDocs is lightning fast, exceptionally intuitive, and secure since your data never leaves Salesforce. That helps you generate email and e-signs, your mission-critical documents using a solution built on the platform your team relies on every day. Let me tell you about the benefits of SDocs in Salesforce. Document solutions such as SDocs can help your sales team focus better on sales activities rather than creating documents. SDocs solution enables the marketing team to maintain consistency concerning layout, grammar, and logo usage in all their communications. With access to different documents of the business, admins, sales managers can draw insights based on the aggregated data of SDocs. It enables the marketing team to maintain consistency concerning layout, grammar, and logo usage in all their communications, and there is very minimal scope for errors with approved templates. Here is a glimpse for the solution that we provided. Let us now move to the project execution. In this project, we have created the component template, which the client wanted us to use in multiple SDocs templates. We used some rendered statements to accomplish the client's requirements. Whenever the condition is satisfying, this template appears on the other template, and when the condition is not satisfying, the original template is populating. In other words, this template is not showing on the other templates. Now let's create a template. For example, this A template and this data are coming from the B template. Hence, all this data exists on other template and this data is shouting on A template like B data is shown on A template. That's all about this project case study. Are you looking for the technical or strategic guidance from the best Salesforce experts who can help you realize your business potential? Get in touch with Cloud Analogy Salesforce experts who can guide you through the Salesforce journey. We ensure the successful delivery of your every solution with extensive Salesforce consulting services. So, to achieve excellent results in your business, contact Cloud Analogy to discuss your project needs and requirements. Thanks for watching the video.